Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. When we try to get the printout from the printer, it gives a PAPERJAM error.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
As a very simple process, you can easily solve your problem by following what I did step by step. When we remove the toner from the device to solve the error, we see pieces of paper there. And we pull it slowly in the direction of the paper without leaving any more pieces. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. Since the working principle of all brand and model devices is the same, our expert staff is waiting to answer any questions you may have regarding installation and repair. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost.
Tray. But we also carefully clean the skates and rollers in the paper path. Cleaning and maintenance is very important. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well.
Our device is working very stable. Our process is very successful. I recommend it to you.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.